This is quotient rule using chain rule. Our problem is f of x, so square root of 3x plus 2 over 2x minus 4 to the 4th. First thing we're going to do is find the u and v. So the top is u, and the bottom of the fraction is v. So for u, it's going to be 3x plus 2 to the 1 half. 1 half comes from the radical. And then v is 2x minus 4 to the 4th. Now, after we find u and v, we have to find the insides and outsides of each of them. So the inside of u would be whatever's inside those parentheses, which is 3x plus 2. Now the derivative of that, which is 3. Now we're going to find the outside of u. It's going to be the parentheses 1 half. And the derivative of that will be 1 half minus 1 half. To the power of negative 1 half, because 1 half minus 1 is negative 1 half. Alright, after we're done with that, we're going to do the same thing with v. So the inside of v is 2x minus 4. And the derivative of that, 2. Now the outside is the parentheses to the 4th, which means the derivative will be 4 parentheses 3. Now that we found the chain rule for u and v, we're able to find the derivatives of u and v. So it's going to be the inside derivative times the outside. So 3 times 1 half, open parenthesis, and then whatever the inside of u is, so 3x plus 2, we're going to raise that to negative 1 half. And then v prime is going to be the inside derivative, which is 2, times 4, which is the outside derivative, open parentheses, the inside of v, which is 2x minus 4, to the 3rd. Now that we found our u's and v's, we can now do the quotient rule. So it's v times u prime minus u v prime over v squared. So our v would be 2x minus 4, our u prime will be 3 times 1 half, times the inside of u, which was 3x plus 2, to the negative 1 half. Now we're going to subtract all that by u and v prime. So u is 3x plus 2, and then v prime is 2 times 4 times 2x minus 4 to the 3rd. This is all over v squared, so you're going to have parentheses 2x minus 4 to the 4th to the 2nd. Now at this point, we're going to multiply our standing terms, like the 3 and 1 half, and then the 2 and the 4. And we'll go ahead and put this out front. So we have 3 halves times 2x minus 4 to the 4th times 3x plus 2 to the negative 1 half. And now this will be minus 8, because the 2 times 4. And then times 3x plus 2 to the 1 half times 2x minus 4 to the 3rd. Again, this is all over v squared. So we're going to have 3 halves subtract all of that by the other fraction. We're going to have 8 times 3x plus 2 to the 1 half, 2x minus 4 to the 3rd, and that's all over v squared as well. at this point, we're able to simplify our fractions. Three x plus 2 to the negative 1/2 on the top. And on the bottom, we're going to have 2 times 2x minus 4 to the 4th. The reason it's to the 4th is because we subtract the exponents on the top and the bottom. It's 3x plus 2 to the 1/2. And then 2x minus 4 goes to the bottom. So we have 2x minus 4 to the 5th. Because we subtract the exponents, a minus 3 equals 5. And now we're able to do some simplification. We're going to have 3 on the top over 2 times 2x minus 4 to the 4th. And then 3x plus 2 minus 1/2 will move to the bottom with a radical because the exponent's negative. And this will all be minus 8 plus the square root of 3x plus 2 over 2x minus 4 to the 5th.